Welcome to our cozy kitchen where a world of culinary adventures awaits. Here you'll find an array of fresh ingredients, from vibrant fruits and vegetables to aromatic spices, all ready to inspire your next meal. With its warm and inviting ambiance, this space is perfect for creating delicious memories. Get ready to dive into a whirlwind of flavors. From sizzling stir-fries to fresh, crisp salads, decadent cakes, and hearty stews, we've got something for every palate. Each dish is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds, showcasing the diverse range of meals we offer. The upbeat energy here is contagious and will surely get you excited to cook along with us. Meet our wonderful host, always here with a big smile and a delicious dish in hand. Friendly and approachable, they'll guide you through every step, making you feel right at home and eager to try these recipes yourself. Let's get cooking together. On this channel, we bring you everything from easy everyday meals to impressive dishes for special occasions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, there's a recipe here for everyone to enjoy. Don't miss out on new recipes. Join us on this delicious journey. Subscribe now!